ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kakanhun Menteri Jongka Sorkar Jela haga arpusau terik ukelan kot Hajar arpusau. Kala menjur ban penjelan Jakarta apply kam hagi Tylli ki Tnad ki bakentup. Haga Tnad Civil Defence and Home Guards. Haga Tnad Excise Registration Taxation and Stamps. Haga Tnad Forest and Environment but haga Tnad Pulit. Menteri Sorkar Jela uba opolong do haga jingya keren bat kilat patai kubor. Ulai itu ba haga Tnad Excise Registration Taxation and Stamps. Karta apply kam kadai menlong nadu arpunyu snem hadu laipu arsnem. Haga Tnad Civil Defence and Home Guards. Karta apply kam kadai menlong laipo hadu laipu arsnem. Haga Tnad Forest and Environment. Karta apply kam kadai menlong arpuai snem hadu arpunyu snem. Bat kumjuru haga Tnad Pulit. Haga juga por uba polong do ulai tu bahagi hindiat sengi ki bansawan ke Sorkar kan sa Pynbna pajba ya ga jinglait kam ke balong hadu lai Hajar Tylli haga Tnad Pulit bat kumba sanspa Tylli haga Tnad Civil Defence and Home Guards.
There are effectively 4 such departments where, because of the physical nature of work requiring stamina and vigor, the minimum age limits have been set differently as well as the upper age limit. So these are the departments of Civil Defence and Home Guards, Excise, Registration, Taxation and Stamps Department, ERTS, Forest and Environment Department and the Home Police Department. These would the minimum age in these cases is between the range of 18 to 21 years of age, and the upper age limit as decided by the Cabinet today has been fixed ranging from 27 years in the case of ERTS department to 32 years in the case of Civil Defence and Home Guards department to 30 to 32 years in the case of Forest and Environment Department, and 21 years as minimum age limit to 27 years as upper age limit where Home Police Department is concerned. We're also happy to announce here that within the next 2 to 3 weeks we should be in a position to advertise various posts in these departments. There'll be about 3,000 plus posts in various categories in the Home Police Department and about 500 such posts in the Civil Defence and Home Guards Department. As I was trying to explain to you, these would include posts, for instance, of junior scale MPS posts, then UB, AB, SIs. All of these posts are those which require people who will be young in age. So the entry point has been set accordingly, and which is why we have different minimum age and different upper age limit for these various posts. So this requires confirmation by the Cabinet, which is why it was taken up for discussion and approval today.
For filling up the over 3,000 vacancies in the police department, any time frame being set?
As I said, we will take another 2 to 3 weeks to advertise, and we should be in a position to complete the process within the next 2 months.
So this will address the shortage of manpower?
It's going to be a huge game changer because as you might have seen, there is a clear deficit of manpower, and this will help address that problem. Arrangements are as per standard norms, and as the law and order situation in the state is satisfactory and peaceful, there is no need for any extra additional measures.